I'm sure I'm not the only one who loves a delicious potato dish. So today I'll be showing you an amazing way that you can reuse leftover mashed potatoes and cook some delicious, crispy, very vibrant potato cakes. You're going to start off by prepping your fresh ingredients, and I've already done that. I have some assorted peppers and carrots, and also to the recipe I've added in some brawn. This is beef brawn, which is going to add in a very nice taste to our potato cakes. Of course, I have my leftover mashed potatoes. This is around 4 cups, breadcrumbs, eggs, black pepper, and salt, together with some cooking oil for frying the potato cakes. Into your mixing bowl, you're going to add in your leftover mashed potatoes. The leftover mashed potatoes were very delicious, let me tell you. If you want to learn how to make this delicious mashed potato recipe, you can check up here or in the description box. Using a wooden spatula, I'm going to break down the mashed potatoes just a little bit. Add in the rest of the ingredients. So I'll start off with my brawn. Make sure to get everything. Add in my assorted peppers, carrots, black pepper, and salt. Use my spatula and mix in all the ingredients until fully combined. You'll notice that I've chopped up all the veggies into small pieces because I want everything to cook perfectly. After mixing in everything, you'll notice that the mashed potatoes look very colorful. That is what I was going for. So the mashed potatoes are looking very vibrant. Once mixed, I'll place my bowl aside, and into a bowl I'm going to be cracking in 2 eggs. Season my breadcrumbs with a little bit of black pepper and salt. So I'm going to add in a pinch of black pepper and some salt. Using a fork, I'm going to mix in the seasoning into the breadcrumbs. And remember, this is leftover mashed potatoes, so I had already seasoned the potatoes. I'm just adding in a touch of seasoning to the potato cakes. Next, I'm going to be using 1 tablespoon to scoop out my very colorful mashed potatoes. Place in my hand. Add in a little bit more. Then I'm going to form into a round shape. So what you'll do is press down on the mashed potatoes, then you'll form a round shape. It's like you're modeling. Yes. And once done, this is how your potato patty is going to be looking like. So you're going to place aside. Scoop out some more. Press down. Once done, you're going to place on a plate and finish up making the rest. Make sure the potatoes patties are the same size so that they can fry evenly into the cooking oil. Scoop a little bit more and repeat until I'm done. You can engage your kids at this point because it's so much fun. And you'll notice that the mashed potatoes are not sticky at all. So the outcome is going to be just perfect. This is how thick your potato patty should be so that it can fry without breaking down into the cooking oil. You'll notice that all the veggies are perfectly blending with the mashed potatoes, and because I'm done, just look how colorful the mashed potatoes are looking. So the next thing is going to be Place in a frying pan with cooking oil for frying your potato cakes over medium-high flame. Wait for around 2 minutes as the cooking oil is getting ready. When the cooking oil is ready, you're going to use a wooden skewer. Insert in the cooking oil once you notice small bubbling, the oil is ready. If you notice that the bubbles are roughly bubbling, the oil is too hot. So what you're going to do is turn down the flames and let the oil cool for a little bit before you proceed to fry your potato cakes. Now it's time to coat my mashed potatoes with breadcrumbs. So I'm going to be using egg wash to bind together the breadcrumbs and the potato cakes. So I'm going to pick one, dip into the egg wash, use a fork and make sure all the sides are fully coated with the eggs. Lift up and transfer to my breadcrumbs. Then I'm going to place in the breadcrumbs. Transfer into the cooking oil carefully. And very quickly, I'm going to repeat. Let the excess eggs drip. Place the potato cakes into the breadcrumbs and into the cooking oil. You have to be very fast because you want the potato cakes to cook evenly or to brown evenly. Flip the first potato cake that I placed into the cooking oil. So you're going to fry for around 30 seconds to 1 minute or until you notice that the potato cakes have a very nice golden brown color. Using a skimmer, you're going to flip the potato cake so that the other side can cook. Placing my next round. As you're coating the potatoes, make sure to check on your potato cakes that are frying. Use my skimmer and flip so that the other side can brown. And the kitchen is smelling so good at this point. If you notice that your potato cakes are opening up while frying in the cooking oil, the temperature of the oil is too low. So what you're going to do is bring the flames to high and let the cooking oil get hot. The last round is ready, so I'm going to put out the flames, transfer to the rest. The level of crispiness on the potato cakes is just perfection. Yes. So I'm going to place on my plate, which I've already added in some ketchup. When done plating your potato cakes, they are going to be looking very crispy and that golden brown color is going to be perfect. The inside is going to be very vibrant because we have several veggies which have different colors and the flavor is going to be amazing. Best served as appetizers for your guests or for your family, and no one will know that this is leftover mashed potatoes.